I'm Chef Jasper, and today we're in the kitchen preparing Zeppoles. That's right. You know what? Whether it's Carnivale in Italy, or Easter time, or the summertime, holidays, it does not matter. Zeppoles are a favorite. There's Napolitan Zeppoles from up in Naples, or there's another similar type in Sicily called Sfinges. Up north, they have them also, so it really doesn't matter, but they're really all kind of basic. But I have added something that my Nana used to add, and that's ricotta cheese to the Zeppoles. Watch this. First of all, we start off with some flour and some sugar. Of course, some lemon rind. Gotta have I think that's the Sicilian putting the lemon in there. A little bit of vanilla extract. Baking powder is a must. Ricotta cheese. Oh, this just makes this dish. A lot of people make Zeppoles, add in the ricotta cheese. That's the difference, I'll tell you right there. And then one egg at a time. One at a time. I don't know why that's the way my mama used to always do it. Well, how else would you do one egg at a time? But I think that was more for making the dough when you're making a sfinge and you mix it all together. But here we go. We're going to mix this together, and then we're going to spoon them into the hot oil. And I already have the oil heating up right now on the stove. So we mix this thoroughly. Orange zest, lemon zest, mascarpone, ricotta, either or. I'm telling you, they're going to be delicious. A little more vanilla. Oh yeah, that's it. And then we're going to drizzle on, oh, you're going to like this, an espresso chocolate sauce. That's so easy to prepare. People are going to think this like came from the most popular bakery in town, but oh no, you made these in your own kitchen in less than 30 minutes, and that's what I like about this. All right, we're just about here. Yeah, it's a little messy with the flour, but come on. That batter is perfect. My mom used to also put a little bit of honey in here. The original recipe doesn't call for honey that my grandmother used to prepare. And it looked like, you know, you kind of made a mistake, or it's kind of a little lumpy there. Nope, that's it. Don't use a whisk or anything like that. Just make sure it's thoroughly incorporated, that flour, and that's about it. One more turn, and we're there. And then we're going to get our oil just hot enough. But this is about it. This is what I like right here. This is the consistency that I like. Just like that right there. That's perfect. And now, just the way Nana and Mama taught me, we're going to drop these Zeppoles right into the hot oil. Be careful. One of those do as I say, not as I do. If you'd rather have an ice cream scoop, you know, go ahead and drop it in there. They're not the same size, of course, when you drop them in with a spoon, but you got to be careful with that oil, hot oil right there. And I like mine not uniform. Okay? So they're not going to be little balls all the time. Don't worry about that. They're Zeppoles. And you think you made a mistake, and they look like they're all messed up. Once they flip over, you're perfect. Probably about 6 in there at a time would be just perfect. They'll drop. There, see what I'm saying? Look what just happened. Perfect. And see how they kind of flip over by themselves. Yeah, I like this. Now, I didn't crowd the pan too much because you really don't want to, but that hot oil at about 350 or so. Yeah, we're right at 350 right now. Just flip them a little bit. They'll eventually flip by themselves. I like them when they look. I don't know if you can see this one right here, but see this the little top right there like that. Then a couple of different ways you could serve them. You can actually put them in a brown little bag with the powdered sugar, shake them, and put them right on the table. Or you could just put them on the platter with the espresso sauce that chocolate espresso sauce and some powdered sugar. Oh, so good. We're going to make that sauce very quickly here also. Do these look delicious? Delicious or dangerous? Well, I think both. How about it? Okay, we'll put more powdered sugar on, don't worry. And now we're going to make a very simple chocolate sauce. Add a little bit of butter. Okay. Melt our chocolate off the stove. Espresso, instant espresso. Some boiling water. Mix this in there. And then we finish with some more powdered sugar. An instant chocolate syrup. Oh, so good. Those lumps just come right out. And really, that's all there is to it. Can you believe it? Look how thick and rich it gets. That butter just kind of gives it a nice silky gloss. We'll continue stirring this. You could serve it on the side, or you can just drizzle it right on top of your Zeppoles. Mama's Zeppoles made right before your eyes. They're so quick. They're so easy. I love them with the ricotta cheese. I mean, seriously, I'm going to brag. It's picture perfect. Something I'm not only proud to serve my family, but something that should be on your table. Brought to you by Hen House Markets.